Hello everyone, this is Gurpreet, your image designer. And yes, as we wrap up the last day of the year, it's time, to reflect, realign, and rethink on different areas of your life. So today I'm going to share मैं आज एक बहुत ही सिंपल एक्सरसाइज शेयर करने वाली हूँ and that simple tool or exercise is named as the wheel of life. So this wheel of life को you're going to make with me as I'm going to teach. Wherever you are, चाहे आप ऑफिस में हो, घर में या किसी फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैं, you can actually just pick up a piece of paper, and if you have a pen, that will suffice. But if you are at home or if you are in your office, I think so you should pick up three pens or a pencil and कोई भी दो colored के pens. It could be a blue, it could be a red, or any other color, basically to distinguish. All right. So can we begin? So let's start. So just make a freehand circle. You really don't need to be an artist. I'm really letting you know. This is your life. So just make a circle with the help of your pencil. Now divide this circle into 8 different parts. So as I'm writing, so you can also write on a piece of paper that you have picked up or a book, or even you can, आप अगर चाहो तो you can, if you are supposedly watching this video sitting in a restaurant या कहीं पे भी, you can always pick up the tissue papers and you can always ask or request for a pen, right? So no excuses for yourself today. तो फिर वी विल मूव क्लॉकवाइज, हम क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे, वेर इन मैंने फर्स्ट लिखा है करियर, फिर आपकी पर्सनल ग्रोथ, इमोशनल वेलबिंग, सेल्फ एस्टीम, सेल्फ वर्थ, उसके बाद फुलफिलमेंट, ये सारे एक साथ आ रहे हैं. फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली वुड बी अनदर, एंड यस, finance, hobbies, education and qualification would be the last. Now, while marking them, we have written in between जो हमने एट डिफरेंट एरियाज को डिवाइड करते हुए जहाँ पे आपने मार्किंग करी है सेंटर में, सो try to draw in between imaginary lines, dotted lines basically. Done? Okay. Now, on the imaginary line, you can mark from 1 to 10. You can just do on one imaginary line. This would be a guideline for the rest. You need to draw entire imaginary lines में 1 to 10 points at a equidistant, I would say, most likely. Are we there together? Yes. Now, based on this, take a blue pen or another colored pencil or a colored pencil and start from career and mark yourself. सिर्फ अपने लिए मार्क करना है कि करियर में, how fulfilled do you feel at this point of time and how do you see yourself. So 1 to 10 के बीच आपको मार्क करना है. Supposedly you are just okay with wherever you are there in your career. This means that you should be at point 5. So likewise, personal growth, emotional well-being, self-esteem, friends and family, finance, hobbies, education, qualification. What is your current level of satisfaction? Once we're done with this, we are also going to mark where do you want or where do you see yourself in career. So it has to be higher than what is your current level of satisfaction, right? So दूसरा पेन लेंगे, दूसरी कलर्ड पेंसिल लेंगे. So you mark, generally it is assumed कि 10 जो है, that is the epitome where we want to reach. May not be same for everybody, please, but yes. After we have jotted the points, it's time now to join the points. सो जो ब्लू डॉट्स है उसको ब्लू पेन के साथ या कलर्ड पेंसिल के साथ ज्वाइन करें, और जो रेड डॉट्स हैं इसको रेड पेन के साथ करें. Now after you have done this, you will figure out yourself. आप खुद समझ जाओगे कि कौन से एरियाज पे आपकी लाइफ में आपको फोकस करना चाहिए. सो इस ग्राफ के हिसाब से, सॉरी, इस व्हील ऑफ लाइफ के हिसाब से, हॉबीज, फाइनेंस एंड फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, these are the three areas that the person has to really focus on to balance his or her wheel of life. The ultimate goal is the harmony, right? We may not reach to 10 maybe next year, but we should always aim and thrive towards achieving, so that the other areas of life, they are aligned, and it helps you to reach the highest potential of yourself, the true version of yourself. I hope this helps someone, because this simple tool or this exercise से you will get to know कि कौन से एरियाज ऑफ लाइफ जो है, विच एरिया ऑफ लाइफ बेसिकली यू नीड टू गिव मोर फोकस एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंस. कई बार ऐसा लगता है ना कि ये ठीक नहीं, वो ठीक नहीं, कहाँ मैं गलत जा रही हूँ, जा रहा हूँ. सो दिस विल गिव यू रियली अ ग्रेट insight about yourself. And trust me, I do not want you to share this on the group or any social media platform, because this is only for you to understand. Once you understand, once you have an insight about which area of life you need to focus, the next step is what is that thing that you need to do so that it helps to fill the gap with the current level of satisfaction that you have and where you want to reach. Be very authentic with this exercise. Be true to yourself जब ये exercise कर रहे हो. जो वाकई आपका state है, level of satisfaction, उसको mark करना है. I can assure you this will really help you, as this has helped many of my clients. So thank you so much for watching this, and wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. Thank you.